AI-driven sentiment analysis. Understanding customer emotions in real time. AI-driven sentiment analysis is revolutionizing the way businesses understand customer emotions. By utilizing advanced algorithms and natural language processing, companies can gain real-time insights into customer sentiments and effectively tailor their products and services to meet their needs. In this video, we will explore the exciting applications of sentiment analysis in the real world. We will also present a real use case showcasing the demonstration and results of sentiment analysis in English. Welcome to our video on AI-driven sentiment analysis, where we explore the incredible capabilities of understanding customer emotions in real time. In today's competitive business landscape, it's essential for companies to have a deep understanding of their customer base. By harnessing the power of AI and natural language processing, sentiment analysis allows businesses to uncover valuable insights from customer feedback, enabling them to deliver highly personalized experiences. Real-world scenarios. Social media monitoring. One of the most prominent applications of sentiment analysis is in social media monitoring. With millions of users sharing their thoughts and opinions on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, companies can tap into this rich source of data to gauge public sentiment towards their brand, products, or advertising campaigns. Sentiment analysis algorithms can analyze social media data in real time, providing businesses with an immediate understanding of how their audience perceives them. Customer service enhancements. Sentiment analysis can significantly improve the effectiveness of customer service operations. By analyzing customer feedback, whether it's through emails, reviews, or support tickets, businesses can automatically identify and prioritize negative sentiments. This enables them to proactively address customer concerns, resolve issues promptly, and ultimately enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Brand reputation management. Maintaining a positive brand reputation is crucial for businesses, and sentiment analysis plays a vital role in this aspect. By continuously monitoring online conversations, sentiment analysis algorithms can quickly detect any negative sentiment associated with a company or its products. This allows businesses to take proactive measures and mitigate potential reputational damages before they escalate. Now let's dive into a real use case to see sentiment analysis in action. XYZ Corporation is a leading e-commerce company in the fashion industry. They are keen to understand how customers perceive their brand and identify any potential areas of improvement. To demonstrate the power of sentiment analysis, they collected and processed a large dataset consisting of social media posts, customer reviews, and support ticket conversations related to XYZ Corporation. This dataset was then fed into the AI-driven sentiment analysis model. The sentiment analysis model automatically classifies the collected data into positive, negative, or neutral sentiments. It analyzes the text using natural language processing techniques, including sentiment lexicons, machine learning algorithms, and deep learning models, to accurately evaluate customer emotions. By applying sentiment analysis in real time, XYZ Corporation can monitor customer sentiments and receive actionable insights promptly. After implementing AI-driven sentiment analysis, XYZ Corporation observed significant improvements in their customer satisfaction metrics. By understanding customer emotions in real time, they were able to make data-driven decisions and enhance their products, marketing strategies, and customer support processes. Ultimately, this resulted in increased customer loyalty, higher sales, and a stronger brand reputation. By uncovering real-time insights from customer feedback, companies can gain a competitive edge and deliver personalized experiences that truly resonate with their audience. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos on AI-driven technologies.